There are three simple steps to naming isomers. Step 1. To identify the chiral center. A chiral center is any molecule with four distinct groups attached to it. Keep in mind there may be more than one chiral center, but we will not be covering that in this video. Priorities. Priorities are defined as any group attached to the chiral center, including other carbon chains. We order them by molecular number. For instance, Cl is the heaviest element and is hence given the highest priority, whereas H is given the lowest. As a reminder, here's the chiral center. We first rule out the sulfur molecule as it is heavier than carbon. The priority will then be given to ethyl. The most immediate molecule is ethyl, so we check its substituents. H is given the lowest. Case 1 is the simplest. I will now use a simpler depiction which you might be more familiar with, where the group 4 is pointing away from the viewer. In this case, we check the direction of groups 1 to 3. It is counterclockwise, therefore we know it is S. In our second case, group 4 is pointing towards the viewer. Now we check its direction. Since it is clockwise, we know it should be a R. Keep in mind it is flipped, so it is S. In case 3, if the group is on the plane of the page, we would first swap out the lowest priority with whatever is on the dashed group. We then count and check direction. We flip. Let me know what I should animate next.